or to assume, just thinking that your thoughts are better than mine. In my review, I watch you and you give me your life. Would you give me mine? I see you slowly fade away as the light is leading down to the place where we can't be, but there's no apologies. Just go on, just go on. There's still so many things I wanna say to you, but go on, just go on. We're born by blood, it's moving to the moment that we start. From the moment that we start. I see your perfect little eyes, watch the shadows of the clouds and the surface of the ocean from the window of the plane. I get nervous when I fly, I used to be walking on my feet. Turbulence is like a sign that I can't help but overthink. What is the purpose of my life if it doesn't have to do with learning to let it go? Live vicariously through, you could do the same. That's the least that you could do, cause it's the lonely little chain when you don't add to it. Just go on, just go on. There's still so many things I wanna say to you, but go on, just go on. We're bound by blood and love from the moment that we start. Just go on, just go on. There's still so many things I wanna say to you, but go on, just go on. We're bound by blood, it's moving from the moment that we start. From the moment that we start.